See, I want to allow some of the blue sky to poke through. I mean, the idea of the sky showing through the foliage is important. Then this edge right here, the way it's harsh, I'm going to allow some of the foliage. See the way I'm breaking that edge in a few areas? It's sort of like the foliage, a suggestion of the foliage breaking over the rocks. And that comes down here. It also softens the edge. I might as well take some of the warm on my brush and move it over into here. Just in a few areas. So you can take the brush and sort of print down with it. See, just by dragging it over the rocks, see, this is a dry brush technique. What's underneath is wet, obviously, and mostly it's transparent. But I can take the green tonality on my brush and just drag it over, and that broadens the coloration. It also creates these really rich subtleties. In some cases you can just print. Like right here, that dark's a little bit heavy. I can add a quality of atmosphere to it just by pressing down, just like that. So at this point, it's really all about light touch. And here the paint gets a little bit thick in the darks, so I'm going to come down, sort of pull. Here's the top plane of the rock and the side plane of the rock.